Okay, this is Ivan Cooking Adventures, and today we're gonna do some tuna poke. Tuna poke is actually like a tuna salad that you can do it, for those hot summer nights and those hot days because it's very refreshing. Some people do it with cucumber. Some other people do it with tomatoes and a little bit of vegetables and stuff. But what I'm gonna do is my version of this tuna poke. And what I'm gonna add is some avocado for taste and some cherry tomatoes, and I'm gonna have some spring onions to sprinkle it on top. And we're gonna add a little bit of heat. We're gonna use some chili peppers, and of course, we're gonna have a nice piece of ahi tuna here. Make sure you buy it fresh, don't buy it frozen, because frozen, the taste is not the same. So, also, we're gonna do some mixture there so we can season this very well. We can bring some flavors to this tuna poke. What I'm gonna use today is, instead of soy sauce, regular soy sauce, I'm gonna use some mushroom soy sauce, this is a soy sauce that is very dark, and it actually add that nice and rich, healthy flavor to your food. We also gonna add a little bit of chili paste, which is actually a little bit of heat there on the chili paste. We're gonna add a little bit of sesame seed oil, and we're gonna, for the acidity, we're gonna use a little bit of lime. If you want, you can use lime, or you can use rice vinegar. And for a little bit of sweet to this wonderful recipe, we're gonna add some mirin, which is actually a sweet cooking wine. So, starting by, getting your ahi tuna, nice, and cut it into cubes, just like that. Make sure I don't tap yourself. Cut it in straight first, just like this, then into cubes in the middle. See? Like this. So now that I already diced this ahi tuna, we're gonna continue dicing our tomatoes. Just cut it in half, just like that. Take off the excess of seeds, because you don't want all that water in there. And then just dice your tomato. Cut it in half, and then in little pieces. Again, next one, half. Take off the seeds, just like that. All that seeds, cut it in half, and then dice it again. Now that we have a tomato chopped, just add it in the bowl with the tuna, and continue by cutting the chili pepper. This was gonna add some heat to the tuna poke, and some added flavor, so it won't be boring. You need to add some heat. You can make this more appealing and more flavorful and more fun. So now that we have the heat there, the chili pepper, we're gonna continue with the avocado. This would balance the heat with the sour and the salt. Just cut it in the middle, like that, in strips, then in lines this way, so you can have nice cubes when you scoop the avocado into the salad. You see? Just like that. Get the other one, the other half, same way. And scoop it out into that wonderful tuna poke. Now that we have all the main ingredients chopped in the bowl, as you can see, you can do a quick mix, just like that. Mix it softly, because you don't want the avocado to turn mushy. You just want to keep it like that in little cubes. So it's gonna turn into a couple of teaspoons of that nice, wonderful soy sauce. Look at how black it is. That nice earthy mushroom soy sauce. 3 teaspoons of that soy sauce there. Now we're gonna add maybe half a teaspoon of sesame seed oil in the pile. We're gonna add at least another spoon of white rice vinegar there too, and the mirin, which is gonna give that nice sweet flavor, so we could balance all that. The chili paste will actually complement for the chili that we add to the tuna poke, and this actually also will add a little bit of garlic flavor because it's actually mixed with garlic as well. So there, and on the pocket, and to add that nice acidity that you're gonna find with the vinegar, we're gonna add at least 1 spoon of lime. And lastly, we're gonna add some sesame seed, toasted sesame seed with actually have a nice flavor of ginger there too. So it's a nice combination. We have ginger, we have sweet, we have sour, we have heat, everything. We have the freshness of the ahi tuna and the avocado there and the tomato. So this is gonna be so wonderful. So just add the sesame seeds there. Just keep a little bit to decorate your plate at the end. Mix this well. See how nice it is? You see how nice, how black it is, the soy sauce? So now, we're just gonna add this here. Gentle, just add it to the tuna there. And then with the spoon, starting from the bottom, start mixing your tuna poke. You see that it changed color with that nice black soy sauce, which is mushroom soy sauce. Very nice. This is actually my first time using that soy sauce because what I do is when I go to the supermarket, when I go to any shop and I see some new ingredient that I had never, used before, I just actually don't be afraid and buy it and then try it on anything that is kind of related that I can probably use it in that sense. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add some spring onions on top. We're just gonna cut this, which is kind of dry, and we're just gonna cut it in little pieces, just like that, so it just sprinkles on top. So now, you sprinkle that on top there, just like that. And then you have it. A nice tuna poke from Ivan Cooking Adventure. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope that you do the simple recipes at home so you can like your family to try new dishes all the time. If you like this recipe and you want to see more of my recipes, just subscribe to my channel and enjoy it. And also you can follow me on Instagram, the same thing, Ivan Cooking Adventures, and you can see all the pictures there of all of my recipes and all of the things that I do. I hope you enjoy this nice, wonderful meal because I'm gonna enjoy now.